Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and create Line account. Firstly, you need to get up into your Play Store, and right over here you need to type for Line Setup, and you need to download this application. And then when it goes up that Play verification protecting site on your Google Play Store, you need just simply to open up the application and then go for the second site, which is sign up. Then you need to confirm your identity by getting up your phone number, then of course your country, and then go OK. Now you need to wait a verification code in which it will be getting up right here. Now it was sent a notification of setup. Now what you need to do next, you need to go for that you already have an account. You'll say no, create a new account. You can enter your name, go for Malaxy, go on that site, main point right here, go on that tick again, go continue, go allow on all these setups, in which of course these are permissions that you want to just allow it. And now you need to wait to get up to the full accomplishment to your account data. As you can see now guys, we have created account on Line Setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.